kind of like flossing. Harry Potter fans, do not assume that because Daniel Radcliffe is in this and you've liked some of his other stuff, that this is for you. Let me show you what I mean. First, I'll introduce Hank. Right. So you can see that Hank, I guess, has been like stranded on this desert island. So he's in a desperate situation. Enter Manny.
What? Hey.
I think I had heard that decomposing bodies are flatulent and like cause gases that need to be released, but I'm not saying it's accurate, I'm just saying it's in this. In fact, flatulence comes up again and again in this thing. It's kind of a theme. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of disturbing. And then Hank decides to take Manny along with him as he makes a better shot at rejoining society.
Just have to remember that we're all here for a purpose, and the universe picks its time.
I need you to help me get home. Okay, buddy?
Yeah, so when I said Weird Wednesday, like wow, right? Because that's a really weird choice, and you know, yeah, there's more weirdness than that.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, so weirdness aside, let me just talk about some of the things that were remarkable about this project. The visual style is very unique. It's beautifully shot. There are some just gorgeous camera work in this. But you know, it comes up so much, it almost is too much. I think that's one of my issues with the project, is that you feel like you're watching a music video kind of again and again and again, and you're bombarded by so much that you kind of can't appreciate all of it. The flatulence humor, yeah, it kind of got to me a little bit.
You're special. I'm special.
The last 15 minutes of the movie, however, do something to bring everything to a close, for sure. It also gives you some new information with a particular character who enters, and it's not the girl. And you feel things.
So this is the life I've forgotten.
This is just the beginning.
This movie is not going to be for everyone, and I cannot even completely say that it was for me, but I can see the good and beautiful things in it, and I 100% think that the acting was executed to the best of anybody's ability in those roles. Boys, fantastic job. Could see myself watching this again, but with like friends and shots for sure.